If you don't give me my car back, I'm
You stop it! Stop it! No, stop it!
Hey, you can't do that!
Our plan isn't working, man!
It may be annoying, but it's absolutely hilarious.
Are you okay, Miss Joe?
Give me my car.
No, you were driving illegal!
Instead of giving you a card, I'm gonna go and explain what's happening. In that video you just saw, me and my friends are dressed up as construction workers, blocking cars and making them go flying if they don't listen to us. So we're playing God. Hey, road's blocked! Road's blocked! Oh, okay, this is your fault.
Well, that was scary.
There's just a red car permanently floating in the air now, but
Oh no.
you just caused. You broke the laws of physics. Are you happy, Purple? Are you proud of yourself? You just broke.
I'm very
You
happy.
broke space-time. Are you proud of yourself?
Yes, I'm very happy about that.
Bro, Albert Einstein's rolling in his grave right now. Bro, Isaac Newton, bro, is like shaking in his boot.
Confused.
Isaac Newton is he just sees a red floating car and wished the apple never hit him.
The apple never hit him.
When a daddy car and a mommy car love each other very much.